Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy crab. First, choose fresh crab, ideally around 1.5 pounds, ensuring the best taste and texture for your dish. Next, meticulously clean the crab by removing all gills and any internal organs. This step is crucial for a clean flavor. Finally, cut the crab into uniform 2-inch pieces, preparing them perfectly for the cooking process. This careful preparation sets the stage for truly delicious crispy crab. Now let's get to the cooking. Heat about 3 cups of your preferred cooking oil in a deep pan until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is key for achieving that perfect crisp. Lightly dust your prepared crab pieces with a seasoned flour mixture, ensuring a thin, even coating. Then, carefully fry the crab in small batches for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan. The secret to ultimate crispiness lies in a double fry. After the first fry, remove the crab pieces and let them drain on a wire rack to shed any excess oil. This step is vital. Next, increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot enough, return the crab to the pan for a second, quick fry of just 1 to 2 minutes. This final burst of heat will transform them into incredibly crispy delights. Your crispy crab is ready. Immediately season the hot, freshly fried crab with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance its flavor. Serve these delectable pieces with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon, or alongside your favorite dipping sauce for an extra kick. They are best enjoyed right away for maximum crispiness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.